Hi, I'm John McLemore with Masterbuilt here with my wife Tanya, and we're going to show you how to fry some Southern fried chicken. In fact, MeMaw's Southern fried chicken, near and dear to our heart, and we're frying it today on the Butterball electric fryer.
We have a whole chicken cut up. We have salt and pepper to taste. We have a cup of buttermilk and a cup and a half of self-rising flour. So we'll start getting these all seasoned up. Yep. So we're doing MeMaw's fried chicken. MeMaw was your mom.
That's right.
My mother-in-law, sweetest lady, and she loved red. So I'm wearing red in honor of her.
And my mother was the matriarch of Masterbuilt, an amazing woman, and this recipe was her favorite, and it was ours too. And growing up as kids, we would fight over who would eat the skin. She
was a great cook. Now, of course, Paul, your dad, Dawson McLemore, he did a lot of fish fries and that type of cooking, but MeMaw did the fried chicken. All right, so as we are getting this ready, we have the basket already in the fryer, and we're letting it kind of get seasoned and ready so that all this yummy breading won't stick to it. You can also use a non-stick cooking spray, but this is just the way that we're using it today, and can't wait to get it going.
So now we've got them seasoned, we've got them floured, and we're gonna lower the basket into the fryer. And as you said, sweetie, we're gonna put each of the pieces in individually. And why do we do that?
Well, because you don't want it to all stick together or stick to the basket. You need them to be able to float separately and be able to cook all the way through.
Yeah, so we've got a leg, a wing, a thigh, and a breast, which is half of the whole chicken.
Come back and do the second batch, and it'll take 10 to 15 minutes. You do want to check it. The smaller pieces will cook quicker, and can't wait to see what it looks like.
So, and what I love about it as well is we do a lot of fried recipes. We do low country seafood boils, steamed crab legs, and this Southern fried chicken.
It's been about 10 to 15 minutes. It looks amazing.
I love the fact that you got the basket that allows all of the oil to drain back in there, which is amazing too when you do your steamed recipe and your boiled recipe. So we let these, they fried for 15 minutes. We're gonna let them drain for maybe about 30 seconds.
Yep.
Southern fried chicken is one of those recipes that people love. And my mother, we lost her years back. She was the matriarch of our family and at Masterbuilt. And Tanya has assumed that role. So thank you, sweetie, for holding our family together. I love cooking recipes like this with you.
So if y'all enjoyed this recipe, there's this one and many others on masterbuilt.com.